Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Pro-I, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll here to the system section. Now just tap to the advanced, and if the developer options activated, you'll see this section here. So just tap here now and click on this switcher to turn off the developer options, and now you can see that all of the options, they are blocked, and when we'll go back here you can see that developer options section is gone. So that's it, that's how we can hide developer options on our Sony Xperia Pro-I. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.